And so now, if we want to click back, I want to show you again, like if we were on Matthew chapter 5, verse 3, I'm going to click this back arrow, and I'm going to click it one more time. And now what I want to do is I want to go to the text commentary. Okay, the text commentary is very interesting because you can go back and you can read what other historians, theologians have written about these verses over time to explain their meaning. So when I click on text commentary here, you'll see you've got Harmony of the Gospels, Chuck Smith, which Chuck Smith has some good stuff sometimes. David Guzik, I do not know who he is. And Matthew Henry is one that I use all the time. Matthew Henry died hundreds of years ago, but man, you talk about a great and exhaustive commentary. So let's click on commentary on Matthew 5 under Matthew Henry. When I click there, man, look at what we get. We get an exhaustive list of things here. He explains what's going on in Matthew 5, 1 and 2. He explains it all the way down through. And then you'll notice as you want to get into verse 3, now he's broken this out 3 through 12, and he says, Christ begins his sermon with blessings, for he came into the world to bless us. And then you see here we have this little link, Acts 3:26. We can click on that, and we can read that he was sent to bless us. So when Jesus is talking about blessings, he's really talking about one of the reasons why he came. Now, if you're a paper pencil person, so I guess thing number one is get you a Bible that's trustworthy to read it and just start reading it. Trick number two, YouVersion app for the community and the sharing capability of the Bible app. The third thing I would push you toward, is, if you really want in-depth study, is the Blue Letter Bible app. It does everything that I used to do in the exhaustive concordance of Strong's and the Vines dictionary, all the biblical dictionaries that I had to use. All of those things are now in my phone, in my hand, and I can use those wherever I go. So I want to encourage you not to be afraid of the technology, but in the Blue Letter Bible app, you've got the capacity there to do keyword research, parallel reading, and text commentaries. Man, that's great.